This is our newest area that we call Geriatric Jungle. I'm going to give you a little walk through so that you can see it. These are runways leading from Oz here, and there's Casey. Hi, Casey. And they have their runways that they enjoy, going back to other habitats and places where they can meet other monkeys, and of course go inside when the weather is not very good. They also have the outdoor heat caves with heat lamps on them, just like the others do, and they have automatic waters, so that's pretty much the same everywhere. And of course the color-coded bulls. That's Mickey. And then we have a couple habitats out in the back there. And some back here. There's Cosmo and Buddy. And this is our drop down for this area, so that when we bring monkeys over here or move them away from here, we have a nice drop down right here that works out really well. And then this is our group of 3, and they have 2 habitats, but it looks like they might all be inside. And that's okay. Oh, there's somebody. Hello. And then there are 2 way in the back there also with these long runways, and all of the runways are connected to the runways going through and connected to the habitats. So we can move the monkeys around, give them new sights, new sounds, new neighbors, new things to do, new habitats to investigate. And there's some more. And then we're back out to the front again. I'll walk out to these back ones because you can't see them as well. So there's a couple of habitats back here. There's Mia. Hopefully you get a good idea of Geriatric Jungle.